Come test drive the 2026 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, privacy glass, remote trunk release, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.